Hello artists, welcome to our tutorial on how to fold a one-page mini book or zine. Your tools are very basic. You're going to want your paper. This is just a piece of 8.5 by 11 copy paper. It's a nice thickness. It's not super thick, but it's so it'll fold nicely, but it also doesn't tear too quickly. Any kind of drawing tool. I'm going to use a marker so it shows up kind of bright, and scissors to cut. So let's go ahead, grab those tools and get started. My paper is going to start horizontal, and I will fold it in half from the top to the bottom, and I'm just going to keep it on the table and line up the edges. Use 2 fingers to press and slide. So my first fold, one fold, horizontal fold across, hot dog style. I'm going to open it up. Turn my paper, rotate it, right? I rotate it from to a vertical, and I'm going to grab the top and fold it in half to the bottom. So my second fold going this way. Now I have an open end and a fold, and I'm going to keep it facing this way. I say this is an alligator mouth here, chomp, chomp. I want to put my fingers on the alligator mouth so it can't bite me. I'm going to grab the fold, grab the alligator's tail, and pull it to me. Now, if you picked up your paper to fold it, you're going to have to orient your paper so it's back like this. So I made 3 folds. I had my paper horizontal, and I folded it the long way, rotated my paper, folded it in half, kept it right there, did not pick it up or move it, and folded it in half a second time. So 3 folds, 2 on this side and 1 the other way. Now I'm going to open it up, and you should be able to see the creases that were made, right? We have 3 vertical lines and 1 horizontal line. And I'm going to take my marking tool, and I'm going to start at the intersection of the first vertical and the horizontal, and I'm going to draw right along that horizontal line. Here's my second crease, and to my third, okay? So right in the middle of the paper, I have a line that is 2 sections long, okay? So now I'm going to take my paper, and I'm going to fold it in half, the hamburger style, right? So my paper, if my paper is vertical, I'm folding it top to bottom, and I can see that line. Right? Notice that the line is on the folded edge, not on the open edge. If it's on the open edge, if you open it up and that line is there, then you need to stop, because when you cut, it's going to cut in the wrong place. You want to be starting from the fold. So I'm going to rotate the paper so the fold is closer to me and the line is here. It should be on the front and the back. Okay. I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to cut on that line. Okay, 1 cut. Open my paper back up, and I'm going to turn it to make that hot dog fold again. All right, so when I'm folding from top to bottom this way. So I have 4 vertical pages here in front of me. So now is the fun part. This is the part that I call the whale shark. I'm like, it's like a whale shark. It's chomp, chomp, chomping, swallowing all the water, right? This is the fun. You get to play a little bit. It's just fun to watch that and look at it, see the mouth, right? So as I'm doing that, though, I'm going to start to see the pages turn. And now it looks sort of like a bird's foot or a peace sign. So I have 3. It just sort of automatically put 3 down here and 1 up. So I have a vertical line, and you'll notice that the pen marks are there. I'm going to squish those all together, and then I'm going to lay it down on the table, and I'm going to fold it closed. So now I have a little zine. I have a front cover, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and my back cover. I could, if I wanted, take another one. Here's one that I've done some drawings of people in. I was doing a figure drawing challenge, right? So each page got a different person. I could, if I want more pages, make 2 and glue them together And now I've got, my book is even longer, right? So have fun making your zine and then filling it with cool stuff. People, nature, machines, scientific facts. These are great for everything. So happy zine making, and we'll see you soon.